What is it like to be part of the best multimedia class this side of, well, anything? Let's find out. Welcome to the Chaney Night Experience. I'm Mr. Chaney, coming to you from room S51 on the Bullard High School campus. I've been teaching here for 3 years. I'm a multimedia teacher for the freshmen. I have a small business management class. I have a video game club, a skateboarding club, a Blue Nation club, assistant activities director. I coach both seasons of tennis. And it's never enough. I love teaching and I love this school. But enough about me. Today we're here to talk about the freshman multimedia class. They are in the middle of doing a final project, and this is the sample they get to view. So at the first part of the year, we talked about graphic design and we talked about crap. That's right, crap. What other class can you talk about crap and not get in trouble? Well, this class was one of them. So let me explain. CRAP, or CRAP, stood for contrast, repetition, alignment, and proximity. So we did some poster projects with these, and we started with drawings and then we digitized them on the computer. Now here's my attempt at a drawing. Not great. So I decided to use someone who actually knows what they're doing. Gila, great artist. The black and white there is what she drew, and then she digitized it on the computer in the big color picture. Another example when we did repetition. Again, Gila's a great artist. On the left, you've got the black and white drawing, and then on the right, the digitized final product. After graphic design, we got into our photography unit. So we were using our cell phones or a camera or both, and we were putting all of our projects in blog format onto our Weebly website. So in the process, we were making our own websites too. So let's go look at my super cool, awesome projects here. And one of the projects that we did was called 9 Elements of Photography. And it went over the 9 elements of photography. So basically, mine is right here. We called it Introduction to Photography because there was like 9 of them. So we went over these 9 things: framing, balance, leading lines, pattern, symmetry, depth, cropping, background, viewpoint, and the rule of thirds. So these are the examples that I gave the students. Now what they were supposed to do is our final for the second quarter and first semester was to go make these pictures on our own. So going to one of the final projects, we're looking here at a group. It was a group project. And you can see we've got some of the 9 elements here. We've got background. We'll just make a bigger picture here to see some of them. Balance, so that's some of the construction right there. New student store, going here soon. What else? Cropped. This is a great example of a cropped picture. What else do we have here? Depth. This was a really good depth picture, I think, because you can see the depth in the picture, and so on. So photography, I think, was a pretty successful venture for most groups, and I'm looking forward to doing it again. Let's move on to the third thing we did, which was videography.